last day of school after the vacations. Nisha and her friends, Alia, Muthu, and Ravi, are happy to be back in school. They go to play in the school playground during lunch break. But the playground is dirty. There are food crumbs, empty food packets, toffee wrappers, craft paper, and pencil shavings everywhere. The playground is dirty. We can't play here, says. Let us clean the playground. Come, let's pick up all the garbage, says Nisha. We'll help too, say Alia and Ravi. They pick up the food crumbs, empty food packets, toffee wrappers, craft paper, and pencil shavings. Then they put these in the big dustbins. Their other friends help them too. Now the playground is clean, says Ravi happily. We must tell everyone not to litter the playground, says Nisha. That is a good idea, say her friends. The next morning, Nisha and her friends go back to school. Once again, they pick up the garbage and clean the playground during lunch break. After school, the children tell their teachers about the dirty playground. With the help of their teachers, the children make some signs. The teachers also help the children put up the signs near the playground. They put up one on the school notice